Hello, in this video I want to show you how to leave a BIOS without saving settings in ASUS ROG Strix series of motherboards. To do this, first let's try the escape on our keyboard. Click on it once or multiple times and see if we see any prompt to leave without saving. Sadly, in this case it doesn't work. Then second thing we can try is to enter advanced mode and then click on the escape again. And in this case we can quit without saving any settings. Let's confirm it. And that way we should be able to leave our BIOS without saving settings. And if this still doesn't work, then you will need to resort to the power switch. So grab your PC power switch, click on it once or hold it for a few seconds until your PC powers off. This should leave the BIOS without saving settings as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.